All right, so it's National High Five Day.
Right, it sure is. High five.
All right, well, I thought it would be fun to head over to Connecticut Lighting, not only to get some great ideas on remodeling a kitchen and or bathroom, but to collect some high fives from one of my favorite people, the vice president of the company, Todd Director.
Okay, so for every great idea he comes with, you're going to give him a high five?
Yeah, what do you think?
Okay, let's
take a look. Hey, Todd.
What's going on?
National High Five Day. And we're here at Connecticut Lighting to talk about kitchen and baths. And every time you mention something really good, I'm going to give you a high five.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's start with kitchens.
Yeah, so when it comes to kitchens, you know, people always think of us for decorative lighting. But, you know, one of the valuable services that we offer at Connecticut Lighting is really putting together the whole thing. And what I mean by that is the functional lighting.
And to showcase that functional lighting, they built this kitchen within Connecticut Lighting.
Above the cabinets, in the cabinets, we lit in the cabinets. You know, there's so many different ways, but the whole point of this is to show the different ways you can use lighting to enhance the look of that kitchen.
LED ribbon lighting is being used for the cabinets.
It's almost the size of tape. You can use it in a ton of areas where you could really never get light into before.
Wow.
So for instance, we use this. This is what's lighting this cabinet. It's really the best way to light a glass cabinet because you don't see the light source. We also put a puck light in this cabinet. As you can tell, such a better way to light a cabinet than this.
Yeah.
This is glary, you see the light source. This, you don't see the light source.
That is absolutely fantastic.
It's incredible.
And that tape, literally, does it stick?
It sticks. It's got
sticks.
3M adhesive on the back. We warranty it unconditionally for 5 years. It's incredible.
And it can go just about anywhere.
Just about anywhere you want. That's exactly the same product that we're using for the toe kick underneath, as well as above the cabinet.
I love this.
Yeah.
Don't leave me hanging. Recessed lighting is next. Who knew they come in so many choices?
You know, if you look up here, just in recessed options, up here, we have a 5-inch can, a 3-inch can, a 4-inch can, a 2-inch can.
Wow.
And then we have LED, integrated LED. We have incandescent, you know, incandescent type cans now being used with an LED bulb.
I never would think about the aesthetics of a canned, you know, recessed can lighting.
You absolutely wouldn't.
And look at this. You got so many different options here. This is really incredible.
Yeah, and again, the light output is incredible. The look is incredible.
Wow,
I mean, it's just such a clean, awesome look.
That's really beautiful. All right, so recessed lighting, also at Connecticut Lighting.
Absolutely.
Love it. Whatever type and size of light you use, just know.
Lighting changes the whole look of the space.
It totally does.
And, you know, one of the things we always tell people is, you know, if you take even this kitchen to where we're standing right here, and you go and you turn off some of these cabinet lights, and then you turn off some more lights, and then you take out some recessed, it really changes the space.
It's a whole different look.
Just changes the whole look and feel.
All right, so Todd, we talked about functional lighting in the kitchen. Now we're talking decorative lighting.
Decorative lighting, absolutely. You know, tons of options from mini pendants, from large pendants to fixtures.
And again, this is the stuff that's going to be seen, so you want it to be really spectacular.
Absolutely. You want it to be a focal point. You want it to be nice. And again, if you do the functional side right, and you don't need to count on your pendants or your fixture for all the light in the room, you can really pick the lighting fixture that you want.
That is an excellent point.
So.
And don't forget about decorative hardware for your kitchen. Connecticut Lighting has that too. All right, so we're done in the kitchen, so I was thinking maybe we now head into the bathrooms.
Absolutely, let's do it.
Better. If you've got questions, they've got answers.
We walk through the whole process. You know, is it the only light in the room? Is it a master bath? Is it a powder room? And again, our questions for that are really to direct you in a light that's going to be both functional and decorative.
Okay. Look at all of these choices.
Just some really cool product to show you. You know, because of integrated LED, you know, there's nowhere for a bulb to go in this. It's all LED strip that's built into there. It's incredibly bright. Awesome stuff. No heat whatsoever like you'd used to deal with in the halogen.
So lighting for your bathroom too.
Lighting for your bathroom too.
Need a mirror? They've got it. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Your bathroom can really have it all.
It definitely can. You know, in our fan room here, we've incorporated mirrors all the way through. And again, we sell a lot of vanity mirrors. You know, all different sizes, styles. You know, we have, you know, very simple mirrors to very decorative mirrors.
You know the best part about this room is? I can see myself. Last but not least, don't forget to check out Connecticut Lighting's selection of ventilation fans for your bathroom.
We give the experience to be able to pick the right fan for the right application.
So Todd, Connecticut Lighting, more than just getting a lighting fixture.
Absolutely, much more. You know, we really understand the products we sell, and if you're doing a bathroom or a kitchen remodel from start to finish, we'll walk you through the whole process.
And get involved at the beginning.
Absolutely. The quicker and sooner you get in here, just the more information we can give you the perfect bathroom or kitchen.
All right, I think that's worthy of a high five. Thanks, Todd. For more information about Connecticut Lighting, head to connecticutlighting.com. Don't forget they have 2 locations, one in Hartford and one in Southington, right by Pilgrim Furniture off of I-84 at exit 32.
Very creative. Nice job.
Thanks.